5 reasons why the Nissan 350z is a better car than the Toyota Supra MK4. Reason number 1. The Nissan 350z comes equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 with a single turbo and DE engines and a twin turbo in the HR engines, while on the other hand, the Toyota Supra MK4 comes equipped with a 3.0 liter V6 engine, no turbos, making it drastically slower and making it more prone to losing in a 1v1 versus a 350z. Reason number 2. The 350z is just way better looking. Jesus, these are... What flavor is this? These are good. Salt and vinegar. Where was I? Was it? Oh yeah, the better looking. Reason number 2. The 350z is just way better looking. Look at it. Are you looking at it? It's a timeless design. Look at it. So nice. So clean. So pretty. It could very well be a car that came out in 2018. But you look at the Supra, and you can tell that's a grandpa. That's outdated. Looks like a hammerhead shark. It's not nice. I don't know what y'all find intriguing about them. Is it because y'all are Fast and Furious fanboys? I don't know. I don't like it. The new MK5 Supra, the new one that just got out a few years ago, that one's nice. The BMW one, I'd take that in a heartbeat. Moving on. Let me get a little sip of water. Jeez Louise. Spicy water. It's sparkling water. Reason number 3. Look at the interiors. We'll start off with mine. Look how nice it is. It's well taken care of. It's very nice. I know that there's nicer ones. People add nice carbon fiber to it, but not the ones that wrap it. The ones that actually buy the carbon fiber pieces. Those are nice. And then I also know that there's a lot more that are way worse from people that don't take care of them, which is just hideous on the inside. That's besides the point. We're comparing stock to stock. And then look at the Supra. Goodness gracious, look at it. Look at the interior. I don't like it at all. It's just all black. Not racist, but look at it. It's just all black. I don't like. Looks very old, very dull. And then people go crazy over the steering wheel and saying it looks like a cockpit, like a pilot. I don't know, like a jet. I don't like. I would feel suffocated in there. I wouldn't be able to drive. I would crash because I don't like being surrounded when I'm driving. The driver's seat, the steering wheel, the center console, it like wraps around you, and I don't like it at all. But the 350z, look at it. It's nice. It's what it's supposed to be. It's a normal, nice, good-looking car interior. You got your steering wheel where it's supposed to be. Everything where it's supposed to be. Very nice. I like a lot. I don't like feeling trapped when I'm driving. The seatbelt is already enough of an inconvenience. Now imagine having your fucking steering wheel and your whole car interior wrap around you. I don't know. I don't think it's okay. Oh my gosh. So good. Well, then I gotta take a drink of my water. Okay, we're good to go. What reason am I on now? Number 4 or number 5? Number 4. I think this can go a little bit back to the interior, outdated, better looking things. Sort of taps into the last 2 reasons. But look at the keys. Look at my key. Look at how nice it looks. It's simple, but nice. It has a nice chrome to it. Nice logo. It's nice. And now let's look at the MK4. Goodness gracious, look at that. What is that? It looks like a tractor key. to the riding lawnmower. That's what it looks like. I don't like it at all. You look at that and you just think it's an old car, and I don't think it's okay. Like, if someone laid out keys and was like, pick a key and that's your car, but you can't see the car, you can only see key, and you can keep whatever car that key goes to, and they lay them out, both of them, the 350Z and the MK4 key. You'd think that that old dull looking key goes to a 1981 Toyota Camry or something. You wouldn't pick that. You'd pick the 350Z key, because look how nice it looks. So nice, very nice. 10 out of 10 key. Which brings me to my last reason. Reason number 5, the price. Goodness gracious, the MK4, it ranges from 50K to 150K. And I've seen a few more go above that. And I don't think it's okay at all. Goodness gracious. Why are you wasting that much money on a 30, 40-year-old car? I don't think it's okay. If it were a nice car, I'd understand. If it was the old NSX or something nice. But goodness gracious, an MK4 Supra, I don't think it's okay at all. There's just nothing nice about it besides that it was in Fast and Furious, I think. Is that why people like it? It's way too much money for what it is. And then the 350Z, it's more affordable. You can find one at 5K, a little beat up one at 5K, and they range up to 32K, such as mine. Mine's on the higher end. But I'm not selling it. But I would trade it for a C6 Z06, red or black, well taken care of, plus cash on your end. Well, I'd consider the trade. I'm not gonna say I would do it for sure. I'd consider it. I don't want to be below the negotiation table. I want to be above you, so I'd consider. And now that is how many reasons has that been? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reasons. Okay, I think that is it for now. I think it's okay if I leave y'all with one last question. Well, the only question, with one first and last question. Realistically, hypothetically, realistically, let's say that your whole memory gets wiped out. You have no car knowledge. You don't know nothing about cars, but you need a car. And they slap an MK4 Supra and a 350Z in the parking lot, and they bring you out and they're like, pick one and it'll be free. Whichever one you want, pick one. Which one are you picking? There's no way you're picking that MK4 Supra. There's no way. It does not make sense. All the evidence points that the Nissan 350Z is the superior car. I think it's okay if I take a nap now. Okay, bye-bye.